Hey guys, welcome back to another video on how to enable all disable ad blocker for iPhone in Google Chrome. So first of all, just go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and to double check if my Google Chrome app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Google Chrome. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click the three dots at the below, right corner, swipe left. Or just go ahead and click the settings right here. You're going to find it. And what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down and then just go ahead right here. You're going to find a content settings, and basically in the block pop-ups, that means that you will turn on the ads being turned off on while browsing your Google Chrome. So basically, block pop-ups is a terminology for, blocking ads on your iOS. So you could toggle off by disabling it, and you can just turn it on by, enabling it. Okay, turn on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.